Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 9 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 and then click on view all lessons. So we're going to start with the chapter polynomials, and the lessons we're going to cover today are polynomial vocabulary, model polynomials with algebra tiles, and multiply polynomials. So let's just start with the first lesson. The lessons are polynomial vocabulary, model polynomials with algebra tiles, and multiply polynomials. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on chapter polynomials. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is polynomial vocabulary. Okay, find the number of terms in the polynomial 2n. You want to find how many terms in polynomial has. Since there is no addition or subtraction, so that means there is only one term. Got it? If you have terms or expressions or numbers that are added or subtracted. Got it? So that means if you have something written with addition and subtraction, that would be terms. Got it? So here is only one term because you have no addition, no subtraction. Got it? Okay, find the number of terms in this polynomial. So here you have three of the terms, 1, 2, 3, because they are adding or subtracting, so they are three terms. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test. Okay, just look at this question. Find a degree of the polynomial. You have to calculate the degree of the polynomial. So degree is basically the exponent, the highest exponent of the variable. Got it? You have to find the highest exponent. So here you have just one, so the degree of the equation is 1. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, find the number of terms and degree of the polynomial. So you have just one term, no addition and subtraction, so it would be just one term. Now you have to look at the degree. Degree is basically the exponent of this. So here your exponent is 8. That means the degree is 8. Got it? And the correct option is 8. So it would be 1 and 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the number of terms in the polynomial. You have just one term. The correct option is 1. Okay, find the number of terms in the polynomial. So which is the correct option? You have only one term. So the correct option is 1. Find the number of terms in the polynomial. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1. You have only one term. No adding and subtracting. So it would be only one term. Okay, find the number of terms in the polynomial. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means here you have 5 terms in the polynomial. Got it? So the correct option is 5. Okay, find a degree of the polynomial. So what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is 1. Got it? The correct option is just 1. Okay, find the number of terms in the polynomial. You have just 3 terms. So the correct option is 3. Okay, find a degree of the polynomial. So what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is the highest exponent. So here you have the exponents are 7, 5 and 3. So 7 is the highest one. That means the degree of the polynomial is 7. The correct option is 7. Okay, find the number of terms in the polynomial. So how many terms do we have? So here you have 3 terms. Okay, find the number of terms in the polynomial. So we have 2 terms only. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is model polynomials using algebra tiles. So let's just start with the which expression does this set of algebra tile represent. So basically you have to count the tiles here. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tiles with x square. So it would be 4x square and just one with x. 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be the set has 4x square, 1x and 4 1 tiles. So it would be 4x square plus x plus 4. Got it? You have to write like this. 4x square plus xn plus 4. Got it? Just count the tiles and write them down. Let's just start with the test question. Okay, so you have 2 tiles for x square, 2 tiles for x and 4 tiles for 1. So it would be 2x square plus 2xn plus 4. The correct option is 2x square plus 2x plus 4. The second option is the correct one. Okay, what expression does this set of algebra tile represent? So which is the correct option? You have 5 tiles for x and 8 tiles for 1. So it would be 5x plus 8. So the correct option is 5x plus 8. Okay, what expression does a set of algebra tile represent? To be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10x square, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6x. 10 square plus 6x plus 5. The correct option is 10x square plus 6x plus 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, what expression does the set of algebra tile represent? It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It would be 6x square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6x and plus 5. The correct option is 6x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay, what expression does the set of algebra tile represent? It would be 4x square and plus 7x. The second option is the correct one. What expression does the set of algebra tile represent? It would be 4x square plus x plus 4. Got it? The correct option is 4x square plus x plus 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. What expression does the set of algebra tile represent? It would be 6x square plus 8x plus 4. The correct option is option 1 is the correct option. Okay, what expression does the set of algebra tile represent? It would be 4x square plus 5x and plus 10. The correct option is 4x square plus 5x plus 10. What expression does the set of algebra tile represent? It would be 2x square plus 5x plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? It would be 5x square plus 5x and plus 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. What expression does this set of algebra tile represent? It would be 5x square plus x plus 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. What expression does the set of algebra tile represent? So it would be 10x square plus x plus 2. Option number plus 2x plus 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. What expression does the set of algebra tile represent? It would be 5x square plus 3x plus 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is multiply polynomials. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so basically we have to find the product. What do we have to do? We have to multiply the number that is the polynomial that is outside the bracket with everything with the inside. Like you have to do negative p square times negative 3p square. Then you have negative p square times 2p. And then you have negative p square times 4. So it would be 3p4 minus 2p cube minus 4p square. Let's just start with the test question. Okay, so it would be negative 2r times negative 2r. Negative 2r times negative 2r. So negative 2 is 4 and r times r is whenever you have to multiply the polynomials, basically their exponents are adding, so it would be 4r square. Got it? It would be 4r square. Okay, the next one is q plus 2 whole square. Basically, it would be like this: q plus 2 times q plus 2. What you have to do, you have to multiply this q with q plus 2 like this: q times q plus 2. Then you have to do plus 2 times q plus 2. So it will be q times q is q square and q times 2 is 2q. Then again you have to do the same thing over here. 2q times 2q and 2 times 2 is 4. So correct option is q square plus 4q plus 4. Got it? Correct option is q square plus 4q plus 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 3a minus 4 times a minus 3. 3a minus 4 times a minus 3. You have to multiply 3a times a minus 3 and minus 4 times a minus 3. So you have to do 3a times a, it will be 3a square. Then 3a times 3, it would be minus 3 times 3 is 9a. Then you have to do negative 4 times a, it would be negative 4a. And negative 4 times 3 is 12. Got it? So it would be 3a square minus 9 and 4 is 13a and plus 12. So the correct option is 3a square minus 13a plus 12. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is negative 9 times 4j square minus 2j. So you have to multiply negative 9 times 4j square. So 9 times 4 is negative 36j square. And negative 9 times negative 2 is positive 18j. So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, find the product. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. That would be t4 minus 3t cube and plus 3t square. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is p minus 4 whole square. You have to do p minus 4 whole square. That means you need to do p minus 4 times p minus 4. That would be p times p is p square and p times negative 4 is negative 4p. Same thing you have to do with this one. Negative 4 times p is negative 4p and negative 4 times negative 4, that would be positive 16. So it would be p square minus 8pn plus 16. Got it? P square minus 8p plus 16 is the correct option. Okay, 9 times 3 is 27, so it will be 27. F5 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 4a plus 1. It's a bit long question. Let's just do it on board. would be 4a plus 1 and negative 3a square negative 4a plus 3. Let's just multiply 4a with everything. It would be 4a times negative 3 is 4 times 3 is negative 12a cube. 4a times negative 4a is minus 4 times 4 is 16a square. And 1 times 3 is 3. Now you're going to multiply what bin everything. It would be negative 3a square, negative 4a and plus 3. Now just collect the like terms. So you don't have any, so it would be 12a cube, negative 16, negative 13, negative 19a square. It would be plus 4a and 3 plus 3 is 6. Got it? So the correct option is okay, they don't collected the like terms. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Option number 2 and 2 is the correct option. Okay, 2f plus 1 plus f plus 2. So which is the correct option? It would be 2f square plus 5f plus 2 is the correct option. You can complete the test by yourself. I'm not feeling well. I'm having severe pain in my head. So I think that's all for today. You can complete the test by yourself later today. So we'll be working on grade 9 maths. The chapter we're working on is polynomials. Lessons we have covered today are polynomial vocabulary, model polynomials with algebra tiles, and multiply polynomials. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. That's all for today. See you in the next session.